3-Minute Friday. Maximum information in the shortest amount of time. Let's get started. Strings. So you get your bow with its original string, then you shoot it, then you lose the string or you break the string and anything. I have a friend who makes strings because the original replacement string costs I think 20 pounds or something. He makes me one for 10 bucks. Original one from Robert, and this is a Dacron one, and now let's see if there's a difference or not. So, and what I want you is to just listen to the sound the bow makes with the original string. So listen to the noise of the replacement string. Oh, stramot. Ow! Jesus Christ, you hear that? Oh. Now all of a sudden we have vibrations going on, especially in the handle. Back to the original string, now listen. Especially in the handle. Nothing. See, there's nothing going on. So the string really does make a difference. It's a joy to shoot the normal string, and it was horrible to shoot this Dacron string. It's interesting. Griffin, what an amazing bow. Look at this. Now you don't have this going on in the bow. It makes sense to stick to the original strings. But of course the ultimate reason to consider taking the original string like here is maybe a decrease in speed, and this is what we will figure out. We use the machinery from Alibow again. I put one arrow on. Bit nervous when I do these things. The arrow is long enough. What a beautiful bow. $164, $156, 30 inches. Okay. Now I change to the Dacron string. 134, 149. I guess you can see a tendency that this Dacron string slows the bow, the whole thing a little down, makes it way more wobbly. All this here, you hear it, there's a lot of stuff going on, which does not happen with the original one. Dacron. The original string. You can hear the difference is so obvious. Yeah, nice. Then the bow is fun shooting. You would ruin your whole shooting experience if you put here a cheap Dacron string on it. So always stick with the string which is made for it. That's my conclusion. So even if it costs a little more, but you know, the bow is 450 pounds and then the string is 20 or 25 pounds, so it's fine. So, you know, it's like you have a Ferrari and then you put cheap winter tires on it. It doesn't work. You can drive, but not as fast. And here the same, you simply spend the money on the original string. So thank you again, Robert from Paragon, for giving me this bow, and with the second string, so we could do a little comparison, and it's really obvious what the Dacron string is doing compared to the original string. Thank you Bamboo Archery Malaysia for this thumb ring. Today I shot the hybrid thumb ring, feels good, so I most probably will stick with this setup now for a while. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.